Assalamualaikum and welcome to our video. My name is Muhammad Hafizi and our group will talk about the problem regarding road accident at Folek Junction in Karanganabalu area, which is our group have chosen the Jalan Coastal, which is near the Imago Shopping Mall. So I would like to start with the introduction first. Highway and traffic engineering is a study on history of highway construction and organization involved in Malaysia. This course also provides the students with the knowledge regarding the method and design involved in traffic engineering. Road junction is the area with the most points of conflict, the area where an accident is likely to occur. Improper intersection design will further increase this risk. And this paper represents the results of a study entitled Solve Real-Based Problems Regarding Road Accident at Folek Junction in Karanganabalu area. This study aims to determine whether the intersection of existing types of priorities is still relevant in the increasing volume of vehicles using them. If this is not appropriate, what kind of intersection is proposed, and what features of intersection should there be? To solve this problem, the volume, velocity, accident rate, and visibility distance and section geometry are taken into account. So, the background of the junction area. Jalan Coastal is situated in Kota Kinabalu, 3.2 kilometers from Filipino Market Sabah, 500 meters from Imago Shopping Mall, which is very near, and as well as 2.5 kilometers from Oceanus Waterfront Mall. The property is 5 kilometers from Sabah State Museum and Heritage Village, and also 7 kilometers from Tunku Abdul Rahman Park. Jalan Coastal have been built for a long time as they were main road for people to the sea from Putaran area and also vice versa. It also close to the Sutra Harbor, where Sutra Harbor is locality on the waterfront of Kota Kinabalu. This junction is always full of vehicles and it is the main road of people from downtown. So, the objectives of the case study. The main objective for this case study is to discuss about the road accident that always happen in this junction area. It is also to increase convenience, comfort, and safety, while at the same time enhancing the efficient movement of all road users such as motor vehicles, buses, and trucks. The other objective is to reduce accidents that keeps happen at Jalan Coastal Junction and to improve traffic flows that always keep vehicles stuck in traffic jam, especially at the junction. There are many problems at Jalan Coastal that can occur at an unsignalized intersection. Problems could be specific to an individual intersection, occur along a section of road with successive unsignalized intersection, or be a systemic problem throughout a jurisdiction. The following represents common problems experienced at unsignalized intersections. Inappropriate intersection traffic control. Next one, inadequate visibility of the intersection of regulatory traffic control devices. Another one is inadequate intersection sight distance. And also the misjudgment of gaps in traffic. And also the speeding. Speeding is also one of the main problems we are always facing at the junction. The factors causing accidents at the study area. Road accident is most unwanted thing to happen to a road user, though they happen quite often. The most unfortunate thing is that we don't even learn from our mistakes on the road. Most of the road users are quite well aware of the general rules and safety measures while using roads, but it is only the laxity on part of road users which cause accidents and crashes. Main cause of accidents and crashes are due to human errors. We are elaborating some of the common behavior of humans which results in accidents. First one, reckless driving. Reckless driving is often defined as a mental state in which the driver displays a wanton disregard for the rules of the road. The driver misjudges common driving procedures, often causing wrecks. accidents, and other damages. Reckless driving has been studied by a psychologist who found that reckless drivers score high in risk-taking personality traits. However, no one cause can be assigned to this state. Another one is drunk driving. Drunk driving is offense of driving a vehicle after you have drunk more than the amount of alcohol that is legally allowed, to the level where it renders the driver incapable of operating a motor vehicle safely. Overspeeding. Most of the fatal accidents occur due to overspeeding. It is a natural cycle of humans to excel. If given a chance, a man is sure to achieve infinity in speed. But when we are sharing the road with other users, we will always remain behind some or other vehicle. Increase in speed multiplies the risk of accidents and severity of injury during accident. There are many accidents happen in this junction. Uh, One of it is like this, where there an accident about a guy die in a motor crash accident, and the other one is a car accident. Techniques for traffic management. Freeway control. The team members recommended that 3 European freeway control practices, namely variable speed control, lane control, signals, and incident and queue detection and protection be studied for possible implementation in Malaysia. Variable speed control systems allow highway agencies to quickly respond to real-time traffic flows and weather conditions, using variable message signs to post reduced speed limits and advisories as necessary. Because motorists know that posted limits reflect actual conditions rather than arbitrary limits, they are more likely to hit the speed limit. Operational practices. The first intelligent speed adaptation, a technology that alerts a driver with an audible in-car alarm when he or she is exceeding the posted speed limit. The system can also be set up to limit a vehicle speed, making it impossible for a driver to exceed the posted speed limit. This technology, developed in Sweden, will have been undergo a large-scale testing before it could be considered for use in Malaysia. Traffic management technique on Pan Borneo. When the news was announced that the Pan Borneo Highway Sarawak will be built to replace the existing federal trunk road, there was cheer from all quarters for this much awaited highway. Sarawakians long for a good quality road to connect Teluk Melano all the way Miri, something which our counterparts in Peninsular Malaysia have been enjoying for many years. A smooth drive is dependent upon a good quality road pavement that can withstand high traffic and heavy loads for a long time. So let's take a look at our road pavement on the Pan Borneo Highway Sarawak and how we are designing and building a better highway for the future. So that's all from me, and now I'm going to pass to my next member, Muhammad Azri.
Okay, first, thank you to Hafizi, and my name is Muhammad Azri, and we will start conflict point and type of conflict movement. You can see here this. Okay, so next is preceding traffic conflict. First, build a traffic light. Make sure the circle has a traffic light to avoid traffic congestion, and this can make the road safe for use by road user. Put up a road sign. In this case, a road sign must be installed in the area around the roundabout. This helps road users to be aware of the danger ahead and speed limit of car they have to carry. Providers navigation. For this, road users can find out and use the dashboard to find out which lane is right for them. This is because in the roundabout there are a lot of lanes and this confuses the road users, so they may be tired of finding the right line. Make sure the roads are not damaged. In this case, damaged roads such as cave, hole, crack, and unevenness road will cause vehicle damage to road users. In addition, it can cause road users to crash because the road is damaged. So has a unique road failure. This can be used as a landmark for road sign and the safety of road users. Okay, so this is detail on junction geometric and traffic light design. So this is data from question 2. Pros note, the PCU total is 564.5. At short, PCU total is 492.46. Okay, at east, the total is 830.12. At west, the total is 938.0. Okay, the last one is calculation. This is our calculation. You can see here. Alright. Okay. That's all from me. Next, we will listen to Nasrik.
The next one is effective green time. Effective green time GN of each pace must be determined beforehand. Pace 1, north and south, G1 equal to 60 seconds. Pace 2, east to west, G2 equal to 70 seconds. Actual green time is pace 1, north to south, G1 equal to 50 seconds. Pace 2, east and west, G2 equal to 60 seconds. Next, design the traffic light. Pace 1, north and south. Green light will be 14 seconds, yellow light will be 3 seconds, red light will be 20 seconds, and also green light will be 14 seconds. Pace 2, east and west. Red light will be 18 seconds, the green light will be 15 seconds, yellow light will be 3 seconds, and red light will be 50 seconds. Okay guys, we go to the conclusions. In conclusion, we have been given a case study to study the issue of real issue regarding road accidents at a 4-foot intersection in Kota Kinabalu. We have chosen a location that is located in which is the Jalan Coastal Junction to be our place of study. In this case, we can identify the problems faced by road user facing the junction. We can see what is lacking and what needs to be improved in the junction. This study was designed to help us identify what really caused the junction to become one of the problematics for Lakes Junction. This can help us deal with the problems and can help to prevent user for avoiding unwanted things and making sure the road is safe and comfortable for user of the junction. All the data and information we have available will help others to identify the issue in the junction. Okay, next we go to recommendations. My recommendations for our study is that the authorities should identify what needs to be improved on the route that will allow road users to feel comfortable and safe to use the route. In addition, the infrastructure in the junction should be scaled down and should be treated as well as building under the traffic light at the junction and building flyover bridge. This is not only make it easier but also helps to reduce the accidents that often occur in the junction. We hope that the authorities will not ignore the problems with these routes because it is a safe way to help route user. The last one is reference. We got 7 reference. That link I will be put in my link description below. You guys can see that. Thank you.